Good morning. Today I would like to share to you about SurveyMonkey and how to use it. SurveyMonkey is an online survey site that allows you to create and tabulate your own online survey. The information gained from a well-designed survey is invaluable to any business, large or small. With SurveyMonkey, you'll have a variety of survey format to choose or personalized that also can help in floating your thesis or dissertation questionnaires. First, you need to go to the search engine and type surveymonkey.com. Surveymonkey.com. You can choose the option from now to sign up. For me, the easier access to sign up is to use my Gmail account. Now you will have your Google account. You are now ready to create new survey. Click this one. Now, in creating a new survey, you can choose the option at the left corner. Start from scratch, purchase a panel, copy a past survey, start from template, and build for me. For you can also use most popular templates. For demo presentation, I would like to choose market research product templates. Now, in market research product template, you will going to answer all the corresponding questions until 1 to 10. After answering all the questionnaires market market research product, you will going to click done, and that's end. You will going to see the preview again if you would like to check your questionnaires. Thank you. God bless.